Welcome to Introduction to Business Analysis, a practical approach to building foundations for success, where we dive into the heartbeat of successful organizations and understand the link between business and IT. In today's dynamic market, understanding your business is critical. Business analysis empowers you to make informed decisions that drive success. Our course covers everything from fundamentals to more advanced techniques. You'll master business analysis process model, business analysis tools and techniques, business process mapping, requirements engineering, agile and waterfall methodologies, software development lifecycle, stakeholder management, and so much more. You will learn from real-world examples, see how businesses transform with the insights gained from effective business analysis. Led by industry experts, our instructors bring a wealth of experience. You will be guided by the best in their fields. Immerse yourself with interactive learning via case studies, workshops, homework. Our practical approach is geared to keep you engaged and ensure you grasp every concept. Don't miss out on transforming your business acumen and career. Why don't you enroll now on our course, Introduction to Business Analysis, a practical approach to building foundations for success, and take that first step forward towards unlocking your potential.